remember this game where we stand in a circle and then we have one person going around and then two and then three? The old bald eagle. I'm going to sing a little bit of it and then I want you to go sing it and play it with other people. One bald eagle sail around, daylight is gone. One bald eagle sail around, daylight is gone. All right, so we had one bald eagle. Now we have, yes, two. Two bald eagles sail around, daylight is gone. Two bald eagles sail around, daylight is gone. We had one, then we had two. Now we have, that's right, sing with me. Three bald eagles sail around, daylight is gone. Three bald eagles sail around, daylight is gone. We had one, then we had two, then we had three. Now we have your turn to sing. Ready and go. Thank you for singing. We had one, then two, then three, then four. Now we have five. Ready and sing. I think you can keep singing the song all by yourself without me. Maybe you can go teach the game and song to your family. Make sure you have a beat keeper, someone to keep the beat. And if you're walking around, put the beat in your feet as you go to the song. Keep making music.